So this is how to turn a Android phone into developer mode. Just be a little bit cautious. Make sure you look at some of the warnings that I've put in the files. Okay, so first thing we need to do is go into our settings, and we're going to scroll down and go on to About. So yours won't say about emulated device. It'll be about just your device. So we'll click into there, and you're going to scroll all the way down. It's a little fuzzy. I made the screen as big as possible. You go down into the build number, and you just click 7 times. So eventually this warning will come up. 3 steps, 2, 1. All right, so you're a developer. You're good to go. Now to check that it actually worked, you can go into the back, and you go into, you're still in settings here. Go into system, and we should have the developer options now available to you. Now you can look at some of the stuff and say, hey, is that something I'd want to do? If it's not, just leave it alone. This is actually enough now to put it from Unity. Finally, if you want to turn off developer mode, which I would if I wasn't putting an app onto my phone, I would just turn this back off, and we're out of developer mode now. And that's it.